Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix can't receive text messages on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on message app. If you want to fix this problem, so click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly, so you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app and click on my phone. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone, click on reset all settings, click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if can't receive text messages on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.